With that upper level system spinning off to our northeast, little spoke of energy coming around it. We had clouds and still a few showers across our northern counties, but again, unseasonably cool, but tomorrow we'll call it pleasantly cool as we finish out the week and head into the upcoming holiday weekend. Early part of the weekend, I think it's going to be mainly dry. A little more optimistic about Sunday now, but showers and even a few storms definitely back around on Monday. That appears to be the case right now. Viper radar showing a few spotty showers as expected north and northeast of Lexington. You run up toward Grant County and then stretching over to Flemingsburg just south of Maysville there in Mason County and then running over to Lewis County. A thick cloud cover. You can really see the difference on the visible satellite. Much more in the way of sunshine down south, and with that strong west and northwest wind and pretty solid cloud cover much of the afternoon, it's made a big difference in temperatures. Quite a gradient across the viewing area. Additional showers eastern Ohio through much of Pennsylvania. It's overcast Mount Sterling, Montgomery County, where it's only 57. So areas along and north of I-64 been in the upper 50s and low 60s. Now up on the hilltop near Hyman, Knott County, 64, where you've seen more of a mix of clouds and sunshine. But look at the gradient across the area. You go from 52 at Flemingsburg and Williamstown with showers in those areas, all the way to 72 in Somerset, 71 in Monticello. More sun and less of that northwest wind. So we're kind of stuck right in the middle. We still have some wind gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour. As the sun begins to set, I do think the winds will lighten up. But boy, we are stuck right in the middle here in the bluegrass. Look at the I-70 corridor from Pittsburgh through Columbus to Indy, low to mid 50s. Meanwhile, around the 80-degree mark across much of central and western Tennessee. The upper level system is going to begin to kick eastward, and that's going to allow high pressure to drop in here. But with that northwest flow aloft still in place, that's going to mean temperatures remaining a little bit below average for this time of the year heading into Friday and the upcoming weekend. Tomorrow morning, expect it to be chilly. Late May, we don't see those upper 30s and low 40s very often, but that looks to be on the table tomorrow. A few scattered clouds in the afternoon with mid 60s for highs, and then we're looking better. Again, we've lowered the possibility of rain a bit for the day on Sunday. Hanging with it on Monday. Looks like high pressure, that's going to win out. So a fairly pleasant Saturday, still looking good. You see how close this boundary is. It'll be stalled out, eventually working back to the north as a warm front. So a few scattered showers can't be ruled out across the southern counties on Sunday. Really into Monday, as far as the rainfall forecast, along and especially south of the 64 corridor, we could see a good inch or two as far as rainfall is concerned here. And note the temperature trend heading into the upper 70s. Eventually we'll get to that 80-degree mark for the average high, and you see how much below that we are going to be all the way through the upcoming holiday weekend. In fact, as we close out the month toward the end of next week, it's a little bit better, closer to average, but still a lot of the central and eastern part of the country going to be below where we should be for late May heading into early June. A few clouds early, then clearing out. Chilly in the morning, low 40s. Some of the outlying areas could even see upper 30s. Some of those sheltered valley areas. Mostly sunny tomorrow, 65. So a nice Friday, especially if it's getaway day for the long holiday weekend. Looking good Saturday. Less of a chance Sunday, mainly south, so we'll bump temperatures up a couple of degrees. A little wet and stormy from time to time on Monday with lingering showers early to mid next week. And hopefully a week from now, we start to see those temperatures climb with afternoon highs running back in the low to mid 70s.